Good morning, guys. I read a caption on Instagram yesterday. I think it was by Chelsea Kawhi, if you guys follow her on Instagram. She was talking about how she was never the type of girl to dream about her wedding, but she has always like envisioned what her future home would be and how it has evolved from being a really fancy house to visioning like a simple house with a nice view and nature that just gives you peace. And that is what I feel right now. It's a Greek holiday today. So we decided to take a weekend up north again to Evia for some surf. We booked a really cute little room with a quick patio, shared kitchen outside. I love Athens, but there's something about going out in nature away from the city is just so nice. So excited. It's gonna be my first time like surfing in my new wetsuit. Yeah, I hope it's going to be good. I'm still like an advanced beginner surfer, so I get a little bit nervous sometimes. Christian's here.
I've brought you some sweets.
Really?
It's getting on your plate.
Thank you. Christian just got me these little, what is these? Chocolate croissants? Yeah. Something like a cinnamon pastry. All right, I'm gonna eat this and get ready, and we're gonna go surfing.
I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm doing all this FaceTime. It's no time, baby. You're always running in my mind. You in my bed.
I'm kind of disappointed in myself because I went out for only like an hour. Again, I'm still learning, and the only reason why I kind of got out early was because I was struggling just to get in to the water. And so I was like waiting at the beach, and I was like so embarrassed because I feel like people were watching me on the beach even though they probably weren't. I was worried that they were gonna make fun of me like struggling in just to get into where the waves were. Kind of sad about that. So I brought some salt, but they have some, so I'm gonna use theirs. Black pepper. This is the broth that I will be using. I got this at the bio store. This is the Clear Spring Organic Instant Noodle Broth. It's soya sauce with shiitake and kombu, which I feel like is a really delicious way to have Japanese style inspired ramen noodles without all of the work. I just chopped the tofu, broccoli. Guys, I've already decided this is the kind of house abode that I want to own in the future. Yeah, I can get used to waking up with this view. This is the dream, like this is the absolute dream. I'm just trying to live in the moment and bask in it as much as I can. Christian just got back from checking out the waves for us. Apparently it's not so hot this morning. My only regret yesterday was that Christian went out during sunset, not thinking that it was gonna be great, and it was apparently like the most amazing surfing conditions. I'm so sad. Anyways, trying to forget about that now by looking at the view. Spectacular. Christian just made us some delicious breakfast. Wait, how'd you make it so crispy? Did you put oil?
One and the same. Everything just seems to follow the same. Fuck up, won't you? I know that every day your life's no more than a test. Roll out of bed and stay alive and bring back another check. Our livelihood depends on dollar bills, work yourself to death. Life can't get better than this. Life is as good as it gets. To be alive.
Tough words, no? Oh, we just got some fried spinach. Yeah. You can mix it. No, you mix it, so that's not. I've never actually gone in a restaurant. I'm heating up some pasta to try to attempt this new recipe that I found on Instagram. Getting really melancholy about all the great memories that I've made here. Yeah, I'm just so sad to leave. And for a split 10 minutes, I was like, okay, you know, why don't I just postpone my flight and stay longer and just neglect all the responsibilities that I have in Seattle. And I realized that me staying 2 weeks is not going to be worth the repercussions that I would have if I were to do that. So it's okay. Long distance is hard, guys. And it's one of those things that don't really understand until you're in one. For those of you guys out there that are in like a binational relationship kind of situation, we got this. It's gonna be all good. I'm gonna try this recipe from Radhi. I've tried some of her recipes and I really like it, especially her salads. I'm not the biggest salad girl. Like, the leaves are so healthy, but it's not gonna fill me. So I really want to try to find some like whole like salad recipes, if you guys know what I mean. Like something that's actually gonna fill me up.
The more I can feel to design, like, you know, totally on a dream.
So I don't know if you guys can see super clearly, but I got this secondhand wool coat for 14 euros. Still in really good condition. It's really long. It's been like barely worn. They still have the extra button inside of here. I just like to wash things before I wear secondhand things. I want to wash out the energy that was on the coat. Like, who knows who wore it. And yeah, there's just like some minor stains that I want to get out before I wear it. But yeah, it's just super long. I was specifically looking for a black wool coat, but I just couldn't pass up on this beige one.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like your name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me, you'll be sunshine. Take a load off and you close off, just relax.
You would actually.
Hello from 2 days after since I last saw you guys. I didn't vlog yesterday. Christian and I just like worked from home, went to the gym, did the same thing. And then today I have the flat all to myself. I just went to a local farmer's market, which I don't even know if you could call it a farmer's market because people literally sell bananas with a general supermarket sticker on it. But it was so nice because I haven't been before. It's just nice to get outside, especially now that the sun is setting so early. They didn't charge me for the spinach that I bought, and I wasn't sure if it's because I'm like a tourist or it's because I only grabbed like a little batch and I don't know why, but that was a steal.
Messed it up again.
It's okay. I'll still eat it.
But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in.
Christian made pizza last night. In the past 2 days, I've just been inside trying to get some work done, so nothing super interesting, but it is now Saturday. Christian went surfing without me. I didn't go today because I'm actually headed out to do a impromptu photo shoot with my friend Katerina. This whole summer I was debating on whether or not I want to get into like wedding photography. I'm not sure if it's something that interests me a lot. I do love taking photos, but it's always been more of a hobby. But then I realized that I should just shoot things that I genuinely like instead of forcing myself to fit into a certain niche. And so, you know what? I was like, I'm just gonna have fun with my photography, not put too much pressure on it. If I'm traveling with friends, and I'll just take photos of them, but it's never been like a scheduled in photo shoot, so I'm really excited to do that today. I really want to take advantage of Athens and the really pretty city center. Now that I'm like leaving soon in like 2 weeks or so, I really want to make the most out of it before I head back. Today I'm just gonna take my hydro flask, my Evia Raven. I have my DSLR in here. I have the EOS R on a 35mm lens. Hello! This is Kat, my model for the day. She's so cute! I think, how about here? Ooh. Just did a photo shoot. The photos look so good.
Take computer really nice, but most of the times I take it with salted caramel ice cream. And
This brought me to how do you say it in the Greek? Profitero? What'd you get in it? What is it? It's like a shoe, right?
yeah, this is soup.
But it's open?
Yeah, and it has cream, but this one is with ice cream.
Ooh.
And it's white chocolate and caramel. And those ones.
Yours looks good though. I got pistachio with a classic cream, and then white and milk chocolate with raspberries and Oreo cookies. I got my stojos full of some mountain chai so that we can warm up after the surf. Yeah. Come on, all you've been saying is like. We just got some fried ice cream that looks so good.